Okay guys, how we can use VidSpy Alpha for the purpose of affiliate promotions. Now I've already kind of covered some PBN stuff, I've covered some 301 redirect stuff as well inside the sales page, and also we have covered how we can use expired domains for 301 redirects. Now what you can see here is VidSpy Alpha Broken Link Finder running in real time, and I just put in a handful of keywords for popular marketing tools. I put Video Maker FX, I put in SE Nuke, and I put in Bluehost and a couple of other products that we can go and get affiliate commissions from. Okay, now this is still running. You can see it's still only at 38%, but it's starting to find some really good domains in here that we can use. This one for SE Nuke, there's a domain authority of 20. SE Nuke XR, that one is domain authority of 23. We can use these in multiple ways. You can either use them for PBN sites, or what you can do is you can just simply 301 redirect them to a specific page on your website if you want to. And that gives you some very, very highly relevant links coming in to your affiliate promotion. Okay, so that's one way that we can use it, just by using either PBNs, PBN backlinks, or 301 redirects, and plus we also got the Twitter stuff that will start to populate as well as this goes through the search. Now the other way that we can do this, if I just come over here to affiliate review campaign over here, is that we can sort out by the amount of video views, okay, and see if we can spot anything that shows an opportunity that we can hijack a previous affiliate campaign from someone else in order that we can maximize the traffic that they were getting and probably still continue to get, but redirecting that traffic to our own affiliate links. Okay guys, so I've come over into another campaign over here, and I'm just looking at the video views in this one. For example, earn money watching videos at home. There's obviously an affiliate program behind that, and this was 2017, and it's got 636,000 views. So we can easily replicate that campaign just by downloading that video, re-upload it. We can take the titles, we can take the tags, and we can see what other videos he might have on the channel. That's a lot of video views. Okay, so if we take that domain or that expired Web 2.0 account, then that means that we can redirect that traffic over to ourselves. Let's have a look at some domains that we can get a hold of, and you can see some options as we start to scroll down here. You can see this one, Ninja Underdog. This one is about generating leads on Craigslist. I'm sure there's some affiliate programs that we can put in with that. Again, almost 60,000 views in that particular video. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. And there's a whole bunch like this. You're going to find this better if you are looking for a specific product. Okay, so if you get an evergreen product, for example, like Bluehost, they've got a very good affiliate program. You're going to find a whole bunch of opportunities there for being a Bluehost affiliate before anybody else does. Okay, this one is some arbitrage 5.0 software or something, 18,000 views, and you can go and buy that domain, and you can use that as a 301 redirect, or just use it as a backlink for your own campaign, affiliate campaign for that particular product. There's a whole bunch of different opportunities that appear once you start to run this software. Okay, so here we've got a whole bunch for Longtail Pro, we got a whole bunch for Explaindio that you can either use for creating some PBN links from, and there was one or two as well that I found that would make really good, powerful PBN sites. I've just found this one about a couple of minutes ago, really. This one's got a page authority 30, domain authority 35, links to the homepage 4.1 thousand from 651 referring domains. This is a very, very good domain for me to buy for the purpose of having a PBN network in the SEO niche. This one called rankleap.net. Perfect. I mean, as long as it's got a clean profile, then we can use it. It says here the spam score is 9 out of 18. So I really need to go and check that one and see what needs to be done, see if this spam score is coming from a huge amount of links or not. What you will sometimes see is that you've got a high amount of backlinks and a high amount of referring domains, and it can be just 10 or 20 links coming from poor domains that give it a high spam score. We just have to go and look at the backlink profile and find out. Okay. Otherwise, this could be perfectly good just for a 301 redirect to an SEO affiliate product. Okay, so there's multiple things that we can do. That's the power of VidSpy Alpha. It's given us so many opportunities and so many different strategies that we can use it for, and it's very, very simple stuff. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed those 4 little tutorial videos that I included into this sales page. And that's us just scratching the surface. That's not the whole sort of limitation of what we can do with this particular tool, and we will continue to make it better as well, and we will continue to improve the tool, add extra features, and just make it as awesome as we can. Okay, thanks.